All right, here we go. Let's start our lesson 2 for week 8. I'll go straight into reviewing our homework. So we started with 685 times 7. So let's go over this one, and how about we draw in... Ooh, what's going on here? Let's change our color. Okay. Yep, there we go. So let's write it vertically, like I explained last time. Multiply it by, oops, all right. It's 685. 685 times 7. And then let's carry our numbers. So 7 times 5 is, that's right, 35. So we put our 5 here, and we put our 3 here, right? No, you're right. It's wrong. It's over here. Good. And now, 7 times 8 is, well, 7 times 7 is 49. And then 7 plus 49 is 56. All right. So we have 56 plus 3. 56 plus 3. So let's write that down. Equals 59. Good. So we have our 9 here, and we have to carry the 5 over here, right? So carry that 5. 7 times 6 is, 7 times 6 is 42, right? Yeah. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 5 is 47. So our answer is, well, let's see, 42 plus 5. 7 and 4. Good. So we have 4,000, comma, okay, 795. Perfect. Next up is letter B. 780 times 8. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 8 is, that's right, 64. 8 times 7, ooh, we just did that one, 56. 56 plus 6. So let's check out 56 plus our 6. So we carried over. 6 plus 6, 2. Carry the 1, because 6 plus 6 is 12. Now we have 5 plus 1 is 6. We have 6,240. Nice. All right. Super easy, right? I think you guys are going to get this really fast. Now, let's take a look at 990 times 9. 9 times 0 is 0, of course. 9 times 9 is 82. No. It's 86. No. 89. No. 81, right? So let's put a 1 here, carry the 8, and then we have 9 times 9 is 81, right? Plus 8. So 81 plus 8 is 89. So we have 8,910. Nice. All right. Next we have 869 times 5. 5 times 9 is 45. That one's easy. Carry the 4. 5 times 6 is 30. So 4 plus 30 is 34. And then we carry the 3. 5 times 8 is 40 plus 3. And we have 43. 4,345. All right, last 4. 6,781 times 3. Ooh, it's getting a little harder. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Carry the 2. 3 times 7 is 21. plus 2 is 23. Ooh. Yes, 3 times 6. So we have to carry the 2. Right. So 3 times 6 is 18 plus 2. That makes 20. So now we have 20,343. All right. Next up is 4,356 times 4. 4 times 6 is the same as 8 times 3, 24. So 4 here, 2 here. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. Carry the 2. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 1 is 17. So our answer is 17,424. All right. Next up is G. 8,009 times 6. 6 times 9 is 9 times 5. So let's see, 9 times 5 is 45. So if we want 9 times 6, we can just do plus 5, right? So plus 9. All right, so what's 45 plus 9? 9 plus 5 is 14. And 1 plus 4 is 5. So we have 54. Good. If you forgot what 9 times 6 is, you can do it like this. Okay? So we have 54. So let's put a 4 here and a 5 here. 6 times 0 is 0. But 5 plus 0 is 5. So now we have 6 times 0 again. It stays 0. And 6 times 8. 6 times 7 is 42. So 6 times 8 is 48. So we have 48,000. Sorry if it looks like a 9. I'll fix it for you. 48,054. All right, last one. 9,618 times 5. I like 5s. They're so easy. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 4 is 9. 5 times 6 is 30. So we have a 0, carry the 3. 5 times 9 is 45. 45 plus 3 is 48. Yes, that is a 4. 48,090. All right, that's it. Now let's go over our new work. All right, so we're going back to regrouping. And this time we have the expanded method of regrouping. So let's take a look at how we do that. Well, we have multiply 562 by 4. So we put the 500 here, the 6 here, and the 2 here. We multiply by 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 60 is 240. And 4 times 500 is 2,000. So then we have to add it up. We have 200. So let's split it up to make it easy. 240 plus 8 is 248. Easy, right? Now let's add the 2,000. we have 2,000 plus 248. 8, 4, 2, 2. We have 2,248. So we didn't have to do any regrouping there. Really? Well, I guess we did, because the expanded version is very easy to look at regrouping. All right. Next, we have 6,300, 0, and 5. 6 times 5, 30. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 300, 1,800. 6 times 6 is 36. All right. So we have 36,000 plus 1,800 plus 0. Okay. So that's wrong. See what I did there? I put the thousands in the hundreds place. So don't make that mistake. Okay? All right. Oops. There you go. All right. Well, let's write this down again, okay? We have 36,000 plus 1,800 plus 0 plus 30. Okay? And let's add this down. We have 0, 3, 8, 7, and 3. So the answer is 37,830. All right, next up. Oops. All right, next up we have part 4, the shortcut method. That means without regrouping, we have to carry the ones, just like we did in the homework. All right, that's the way I think everyone likes to do more, because it is very quick and easy to see. And it's so much cleaner, less writing. You just have to write a little 1 here. Okay, so let's try it. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. There you go. Easy as multiplication. All right. No. Okay. Let's get this over here now. And we are looking at the next one. It's the same thing like before. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. The 6 goes here. The 1 goes here. 4 times 6 is 30. 4 times 6 is 24, right? 4 times 6 equals 24, plus 1 is 25. So carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So we have 10,568. All right. And let's move over here and practice one more. All right. Ooh, horizontal format. This one is only for our experts. This is a lot harder than the vertical method, but maybe a couple of our students would like to try this one. And it's a little bit faster because you don't have to change it all the time, but it's not so easy. 9 times 8 is 72. So we have our 72 here. Okay? And 9 times 7 is 63, right? So we have 63. 9 times 8 is 72. And 9 times 0 is 0. So we have 63,072. I don't know why they put the 7 floating here, because it's not even, it should be over the 10 spot because it's a 70, it's a tens, but they have it all the way here. All right, and let's go to the next page where I think we have some practice. Yes, we have page 151, and we have some practice here, and you know what that means. Let's pause the video now. Pause. And answer the problems. ABC and ABCD. Do the whole page now by yourself. That means it should be paused. All right, let's get started on reviewing these. Let's zoom in a little bit here. And A says 123 times 4. So we have 4 times 3 is 12. So we can put our 2 here, carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 4 times 1 is 4. Next we have 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. So we have our 8 here, carry the 1. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So we have 0 here, and carry the 1 again. And then we have 3 times 3, 9, plus 1 is 10. So we have 1008. Next is C. 2 times 5 is 10, carry the 1. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Then we have, of course, we carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. And 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 4,330. Next is A, B, and C. 0, 12, and 5. Because we have 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1. 520. Now we have 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 2. 3 times 3 is 9. Next we have 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 7, 28. 28 plus 1 is 29. So we'll put a 9 here, carry the 1. Carry the 2, sorry. 4 times 4, 16, right? 16 plus 2 is 18. So let's put an 8 here and carry the 1. And we have 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So our answer is 9,892. Next is 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 3 times 8 is 24. So 4 here, carry the 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2, 5. 5,418. All right, let's scooch over here. And And this is your homework for tonight. Page 153. Make sure to do your homework before we watch the next video. All right, bye guys.